Hello everyone. Today we will continue with the same exercise 1.3, question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So, every hour temperature dropped at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. It's given to you in the question. You have to find room temperature after 10 hours. So first you will find total drop in the temperature in 10 hours. So in 1 hour it's 5. In 10 hours it will be 5 into 10, that is 50. Now why minus sign is coming? Because it's clearly mentioned in the sentence that temperature dropped. Dropped means you will represent it with a negative sign. Now, initially the temperature was 40 and after 10 hours it will dropped by 50 degrees Celsius. So finally the temperature after 10 hours will be 40 minus of 50, that is, yes, one positive, one negative. Solve it out. You will get answer as 10 with a greater numerical value sign, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius is your final answer. Moving to question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, so there are overall 10 questions in this set, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. So marks for correct answer is 5 and marks for incorrect answer is minus 2 and 0 for question not attempted. Now in the first condition it's given Mohan gets 4 correct answer. So marks given for 4 correct answer will be, for 1 correct answer it's 5. For 4 correct answer it will be, yes, 4 into 5, that is 20. Now and 6 incorrect answer. So for 1 incorrect answer it's minus 2. For 6 incorrect answer it will be 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. You have to find his total score. To find out total, whatever values you are having in both the sections, just add them to get the total marks. So 20 plus of minus 12. Integers are of different signs, so we will subtract. Answer will have the sign of the greater numerical value. So yes, 20 minus 12 will give you 8. So Mohan total score is 8. Next. In the second condition, again the first 3 lines will remain the same, that is total number of questions, marks for correct answer and marks for incorrect answer. Now in the second condition it's given Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So marks given for 5 correct answer is 5 into 5, that is 25. And marks given for 5 incorrect answer will be 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Now again you are supposed to find the total marks. So you will add them to different signs. So we will subtract them. You will have 15. Why positive 15? Because greater numerical value is positive here. Now moving to the next section, that is division of integer. As I told you, while multiplication you have to keep in mind a table, the same table you will use for the division too. That is, if you are dividing two integers, if the integers are of same sign, final answer will be positive, and if the two integers are of different sign, the final answer will be negative. Now, properties of division of integers. Commutative property. First we will check whether it holds true for commutative property or not. Commutative property means there will be two integers. You will perform division, then you will change the order and you will check whether it will give you the same result or not. So here you can see both left hand side and right hand side will not give you the same result. Yes, so here changing the order of the number will change the result. So finally we can say integers are not commutative under division. Next, division by 0. Now, whenever you are asked to divide any number, any integer by 0, it means its answer will be meaningless because we cannot divide any integer by 0. So, final conclusion is for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined, whereas 0 divided by a will give you answer as 0 for any integer. Next is if you divide an integer by 1, yes, you will get the number itself. Whether it's a positive integer or it's a negative integer, when you divide any integer by 1, it will give you the same integer as an answer. Now, can you tell me what happens when we divide any integer by -1? Yes. We can say that if any integer is divided by -1, it does not give the same integer. It will change its sign. Yes. So, after dividing an integer by -1, it will give you a opposite integer. So, an integer remains unchanged when divided by 1. That's all for today. We will use this concept of division of integer in the next exercise, that is exercise 1.4. I will explain you in the next video. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.